Morning, it's 9 AM and the music has just been turned off, possibly because I noticed some older folk arriving to enjoy the lakeside. Fortunately, it didn't actually disturb me all that much. I feel surprisingly well rested, all things considered. Just as I was ready to go, a nice man named Nagev came over for a chat to compliment my setup and say hello. So that was nice. I'm not completely invisible. This was the village of Capernaum, population 1500. It was mentioned in the Bible a few times. Jesus is believed to have preached at a synagogue here. This newer synagogue in Whitestone was built on top of an older synagogue in Blackstone. Here's the fact of the day. Star of David only became a symbol of Judaism in the 18th century.
Of the insular homes that this circular dome plays in its scope. See you like I do, yeah. Well, friends, I see it too. And I'm the one who speaking like I mean it, what's inside. All these others try and play the part, but I'm the one who made it to your heart. Yeah, I show up on time, I know you need that love. Tell you everything that you don't hear enough. I fly you out to Paris, see the way they staring. Always on my mind, you know I need that love. Yeah, I show up on time, I know you need that love. Tell you everything that you don't hear enough. Fly you out to Paris, see the way they staring. Always on my mind, you know I need that love. You know I'm always one step ahead of you. Holding open doors when you're walking up, cause they don't see me like you do, yeah. There's nothing I won't do for you. I'll be there for you. I'll be whatever you need from me. I'll be, even when it's hard. I told myself whatever he was selling I would buy, because I've neglected to do any shopping and there is no supermarket on my route today. But it was watermelons. Basically the one thing that I can't buy. Look at all these tasty mangoes. Shalom. How much are the cherries?
40.
40, 40. 14? 40.
14 shekel.
1 4.
4.
40. Just check the weather. It's 41 degrees right now. Has to get to 43 this afternoon. Going to have the quickest of looks around these ruins of Bethsaida before I continue to the adjoining national park to hike another wet trail there. The ideal activity on a 43-degree afternoon. The sign tells me this is where Jesus fed the 5,000 with 5 loaves and 2 fishes, healed a blind man and walked on water. More interestingly to me though, it seems that I've crossed into the region which, prior to the Israeli annexation of 1967, was part of Syria. This might be the closest I ever get to visiting Syria. Pockets. Yes. How is it so cold? So what the guidebook describes as a wet hike is wading upstream through waist deep water. So I think I'm just gonna chill out here and eat 25 shekels of fruit. I think this is my only hope for dinner. Hope it's open. Ordinarily, I absolutely wouldn't need to be having a beer the day after I had some wine, but you saw what was in the shop. It's just beer and chips for dinner. So Israel's finest. There is no taste on earth like a cold beer on a hot day. It's already starting to warm up ever so slightly though. This is going to go down very quickly. It's raining a little bit. Hopefully this will cool things down a touch. Just realised I haven't had a swim in the Sea of Galilee yet, so let's remedy that straight away. Go, 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 go. Oh, lovely. Oh, it's not like the Dead Sea. I actually have to float. Okay, got it.